Good idea. Look.
Okay. Carla, can you get here? Why don't you go this way? Or can you think you can walk around there safely without bumping that? Hey, you guys, leave her some room so she can get through. All right, crisscross applesauce. Eyes on the teacher. Ears open, full house quiet, body still, hands in your lap. Okay. So yesterday, we were trying to learn about polygons. And like I said, things were a little confusing. So, does anybody know what a polygon is?
No. No.
Isaiah, do you know what a polygon is?
It's like, polygons, they kind of look like, well, I can't really explain it,
Okay.
but they kind of look like, an open shape.
Well,
Oh, I know. Like it kind of looks like a stop sign.
okay. Class,
Yes.
I need you crisscross
Are we all
applesauce.
gonna get one of those? Hey.
I need you to back up. Brian, we don't care about that thing. I need you guys crisscross applesauce.
Like it's not there.
Yeah, I just need you to look this way so we can learn something today.
Pretend like it's a ghost.
Excuse me?
I said pretend like it's a ghost.
Yeah, it doesn't exist. It just, yeah, it's invisible. Okay, polygons are made up of straight lines. They can have 3 lines.
They're gonna have 4.
They can have 4. They can have more. Polygons have sides. This is a side. This is a side.
Polygons can be anything. What is a face?
Hang on, I'm getting there. Polygons can have multiple sizes, and how you know. Okay, crisscross applesauce. We're sitting up. We're not playing with stuff. We're not leaning on each other. Jaden, I need you to slide over so you can see. Come on. Why don't you come over here where Isaiah was? I want you over here. You can't see anything from there.
I'm gonna get my dog.
That's probably a good idea. Yes, Rick?
Once he whispered to me sucker. Yeah.
Well, Rick, I would just ignore him. If he's
trying to take out my fingers because he wants to be under the table. He's telling me to scoot, and I was already here, and he's moving the table.
well, I tell you what, why don't you guys both move forward? And that solves that problem. Have a seat right there, my friend. Don't sit on the cord, though. All right, so we have sides. This is considered a side from a point to a point. This is considered a side. When yesterday we had the question of what does a decagon look like? That was one of the questions on those cards. Does anybody remember how many sides a decagon has? Peyton? 10. This is a side. That's 1. That's 2. 3. Yes, Shaden?
And when we're trying to figure that out on the cards, it said bonus points.
Yeah, we had, because do you remember what the other question was?
Draw it?
Yeah, draw me,
Yeah.
and then you get bonus points.
Yeah, so if you had that question and you drew this with 10 sides, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Polygons are closed for a regular Brian, are you with us? Kinley, I need you looking this way. Isaiah, there is nothing you need to chat with him about right now.
Yeah, math.
What were you going to talk about with him and with math?
I was gonna say that I was gonna tell him that anything that's anything that has four sides could be a rectangle or a square.
Yep. Why don't you let me do my job? And I'll cover that, but I appreciate the input, okay? Okay. So, you have squares that have four sides, like Isaiah just said. Now, here's a little fun fact. That's a rectangle, that's a square. In math, they're actually both considered rectangles.
Huh?
Yeah, if you look it up in math, they're actually considered rectangles. So let's talk about angles.
Angle?
Yep. Who knows what an angle is? Anybody?
I do.
All right, James, what's an angle?
Like when a corner goes in.
Yep, just like this. This is considered, your corners are considered angles. If you look up here, and look, can you guys see it? You're pretty close. In this square, each of the corners are considered 90 degrees. That's how they measure corners, is by degrees. Peyton, you with me?
What is degrees?
A degree is not like degree temperature wise. It's degree. Isaiah, I need you to move over here, please. Quickly. You have degrees that are temperature, and then you have degrees as a form of measurement, but that's getting a little higher for what? No, you sit right there. You can't get any closer. Nope. Nope. No. Sit behind Jaden, please. Sit behind Jaden, please. But I can't use the board if everybody's there. I need to be able to use the board, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Who can tell me what that point is called? Does anybody know that? It starts with a B. It's a really weird word. Does anybody know? Isaiah? I need you to stop talking to everybody,
That's
buddy.
an open.
Now, right now I'm talking about what are these points called? Right there. Annalie.
Corners?
They're called corners, but it's another word. Aubrey?
Angle?
Well, this would be the angle from point to point inside the figure. That's called a vertex.
Vertex?
Vertex.
Vertex.
A vertex is when you have 2 points. See all these right here? This is a pentagon. And every place where they meet, so it'd be here, 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 are all considered vertices. All right. Yes, Isaiah?
I was gonna say that this right here, this, it would be like if you switch these two, then this would be bigger and this one would be smaller if you switch this. So if you put this right here and you put this one right here.
Not quite. Have a seat, buddy. Let me explain
And
it.
opposite sides, they're equal too.
Isaiah, I just need you to have a seat, buddy. Please, have a seat.
Don't help them.
I need you guys to turn around. I need the three of you to stop talking. I need you out from under the desk. I need your eyes up here, Brian. And if you have little pieces of paper, Anthony, I need them to get put away. I need you guys to look up here.
Hey, a piece of paper just landed right in front of me.
Ignore it. Just ignore it. Is it hurting you any?
No.
No, it's not hurting you. Okay. So, to go back to what we were talking about, how each of these are called polygons. And how you figure out what type they are is by the different sides. For instance, a decagon has 10 sides. A hexagon, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A triangle has 3 sides. All of these are closed. Do you see any of them open? No, you don't see them open. Yes, Isaiah?
I was gonna say, is it okay? Cause Amy actually walked past your thing.
It's fine. Miss Gambo is there. It's fine. He was totally respectful. It's fine.
Because I didn't know.
No, it's fine. So let's look at this sheet.
D, F, B, H, N, G.
Go move down. All right. So we talked about a polygon being a closed figure, straight lines. Now, would this be considered a polygon?
No.
How about this guy?
No.
Yes, because this guy is called an irregular polygon, an open polygon. See, this guy is closed, this guy is open. Yeah, a lot of little bits, is there? All right, so here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to go back to your seat, and I'm going to give you a workbook page to open up, and we're going to look at it. So, hey, are we ready? When I say go, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Whoosh. Safely, carefully, quietly. Thank you.
Is it really a book, teacher?
Nope, it's your stepping stones.
Can you do this?
No. I need you to have a seat, and I need you to stop getting out of your seat, please.
It's not R-N, it's S-B.
I know. I'm going to erase that, Rick. Have a seat. You guys need to be getting your stepping stones book out, please.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Quick, Rick. Really super quick. Class.
Yes.
How are we supposed to be getting our books out? Josiah, how are we supposed to be getting our books out? Hey, Peyton, when we get them out, do we just slap them on the desk? I didn't give you guys page number yet.
I'm doing.
Aaliyah, have a seat. David, have a seat. Have a seat. Isaiah, did I give you a page number yet?
I'm looking for it.
I didn't give you a page number yet, buddy. Clarissa, get your book out, please. Open your stepping stones to 274, please. 274. Isaiah? Come up here, please. 274. Your page should look like this. Next time, raise your hand. But yes. Hey, class. I need you guys to stop randomly getting out of your seat. If you have a question, I need you to raise your hand, please. I need your books open, and I need a thumbs up showing me that you're ready to work page 274. If you have someone sitting at your table that isn't able to find the page, please give them a hand. I would like you to have a seat, sir. 274.
274. Can we do one together?
Well, that's what we're going to. I need you guys to give me a thumbs up. Show me you're ready.
What are pentagons?
Well, that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys, but... All right, so let's read this. Who would like to read?
Is any 5 sides?
Jaden, would you like to read?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on one second. Hey guys, Mauricio, Peyton, I need you guys to look over here.
Is it a pentagon?
No, I need you guys to. Thank you. Yes, Aubrey? Yes, you may read, ma'am. You can. We got plenty of work to do, so don't worry about it. Go ahead, Aubrey.
Polygons are closed shapes that have both
Straight.
straight sides. Each polygon has the same number of sides as the
Vertices.
vertices.
All right, so let's look down below here for a minute. So, we just read above that polygons have straight sides. Would A be a polygon? Are each side of the, does each side, is it straight? And do you guys understand what the word straight means?
Yeah.
If you can carefully walk over there without touching the equipment and hit one off, you're more than welcome to.
We can't find the one that has 5 sides and 6 sides.
Okay, yeah, one off. Be careful.
One and then off.
There you go. Okay, so this right here would be considered a side. Is that straight?
No.
No.
That's a curve.
All right, so somebody asked, Isaiah asked, how do you tell if a figure is a pentagon or a
I figured it out. It has 6 sides.
And what he just said, when you're trying to figure out a side or a figure, the sides determine what type of figure it is. Just like over here when we were looking at this. A hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. An octagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Has anybody noticed something about the different names of the figures?
Yeah.
What's that?
They
Right?
all have O-N in them. And G-O-N.
G-O-N. But each one of these, the beginning of these words right here, are actually Greek words for numbers. Has anybody ever heard of the octomom that had 8 babies?
Yeah.
Mauricio? Yeah. So when you hear pentagon, when you hear penta, you know that means 4. A good one is a
Hepta.
so what would that mean? So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. All right, let's get back to this. Yes, Rick? Hang on one second, Rick. Hang on one second. Rick has the floor. Ooh, track them. All right, so
Polygons have 5 sides and 6 sides.
So let's go through this. So who can tell me,
No, pentagon.
Isaiah?
Said polygon.
So who can tell me how many sides B has? Josiah?
What?
Let's go over this again. This would be a side. This would be a side. That would be a side. That would be a side. This would be a side. Let's try, and this would be a side.
6 sides of 5. 6 sides.
6. So,
This one doesn't count though. E.
I need you to rest your head for a minute. Just rest your head. So up here it has right 6 inside a hexagon. So if that has 6 sides, it would be considered what, class? It says right there. What would it be called? Jaden? Help him out, Aubrey. A hexagon. So who can show me which one would be considered a pentagon? Clarissa? Which one has 5 sides?
6. Letter F.
Letter F. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, ma'am. That would be considered a pentagon.
It says use your words.
I need you to rest your head. I need you to rest your head for a minute. Okay, so I want to show you this for a second. So we said this has 6 sides, and it's a hexagon. This right here is also a hexagon. Do they look the same? Miguel? Does this guy look the same as this guy?
Yes.
No. This doesn't look the same as this guy. This has defined sides. It has a specific shape. This doesn't, but it has the same amount of sides. This is an irregular hexagon, and this is a regular hexagon. Miguel, I need you to move down. Brian, I need you to move down. Peyton, I need you to move down. You guys need to stop talking. We are going to do this math lesson one way or the other. Hang on, buddy. Hold that thought, and thank you for not hollering out. I am not going to put up with it. Annalie, do you need to move down too? Yes, Rick?
Is this shading the polygons that don't have 5 or 6 sides?
All right, yeah, so let's read through the rest of this. What are some of the shapes that you know are polygons? There are many types of polygons. Anthony, turn around and pay attention. A pentagon is any polygon that has 5 sides. What do you think penta means?
I know.
If all these, James? What does penta mean? Pentagon, penta?
Hey, oh, I think it is all sides different.
No, penta means 5. That is the Greek name for the number 5. Yes. So that opens up another. So who plays Tetris?
I do.
Okay. So did you know that tetragon is a 4-sided figure?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't play Tetris. Is there 4 different games for Tetris?
Yeah. Yeah. There's 2.
Yes, Rick?
I know. I played Tetris before on the Fire TV. It has 3 modes.
Okay.
A trouble play mode, a race mode, and a time mode.
All right. Well, I appreciate you sharing that, but we're not going to get off subject here. So yeah, so let's go back. So a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Where'd that go? Oh. So the word hexa means what, Peyton? What's the word hexa mean? Thank you. Brian?
Did you forget about your other assistant?
Well, I'm not done yet. Yeah, and hey guys, if we can get through all this math, I do have some very cool things I want to show you. But I know, nope, we got to get through our math first. Do you need 3 pencils? Do you need them? No. Yeah, we just need 1. All right, so let's move along here. No, have a seat.
You will.
Have a seat. Have a seat. I want you guys to work on the step up. I'm going to give you like 30 seconds, And then we're going to talk about quadrilaterals. That's a big, long word. Yep, but I want everybody to work on it a minute. Is everybody done with the step up?
I am.
Are you done with this section? Hey, again, I need you guys to stop getting out of your seats. I need you to raise your hand. Do we go right now?
No.
No.
I know we could use for a straight line.
Isaiah, I need you to stop. Please. If you have a question or you need something or you'd like to add to the discussion, what are you supposed to do? James, raise your hand. And Josiah? Yeah, go. All right, so let's turn the page.
The page.
We are going to turn to page, actually we're going to go to page 68.
What?
Turn to page 68. 268. 268. 268. Isaiah, rest your head. Close your book and rest your head. 268.
We did.
Yes, Isaiah?
We did. Some people already got step up then.
Isaiah, please let me worry about that. Okay, so let's look at this.
Polygon. Is this polygon?
So who can tell me what a polygon is? James, what's a polygon? So would number G be considered a polygon?
Yeah.
How about F? Would that be considered a polygon?
No.
Why not?
Because it doesn't have a center.
Because it's a circle, right? So how about D, Miguel? Would that be considered a polygon? Look up here, Miguel, on the board.
Yeah.
So would that be considered a polygon?
No.
So who can help Miguel with what a description of a polygon is? Rick?
It has straight sides, and that's not a polygon because it's open.
It's open and it's what?
And it's like curvy.
Yeah, Jaden, do you agree with what Rick's saying?
Yeah.
How about you, Annalie? Do you agree with? No, that's why I said. That's why you got to pay attention. You got to look up here. How do you guys track when someone's talking? What are you supposed to do? Eyes up here, right?
Yeah.
Are we writing right now?
No.
Annalie? Brian? Don't need a pencil in your hand right now. Miguel? All right, so let's talk about these.
He's looking at step up. Not there.
You raise your hand when you talk. What do you know about these shapes? James?
On step up.
Right here, the step in.
Oh, step up. They all have step ahead. They go in order?
Nope. It's actually a trick question because I wanted to see if you guys were paying attention. Because that sheet is the same as this sheet. So let's recap. We determined that a polygon has to have what? What's a polygon have to have, Mauricio?
They all go in ABC order.
No, it's more of the shapes. Polygons have to have what?
They have to have 7 sides.
Nope, because we determined that could be a polygon.
They can have any side.
They can have multiple sides, but what do they have to be? Straight sides. Now, some of them can be open, like this right here. See, that is an open polygon because it has straight sides, but it doesn't connect. So J would be considered a polygon because it has straight sides, but it's open. So would H be considered a polygon, Aaliyah? Is that considered a polygon? No, why not? Because it doesn't have, what's the word I'm looking for, Peyton? Straight sides. Okay, so who could come up here and point to the vertex? Where there's a vertex, where the vertices are for O? Clarissa? Can you come up here and show me where the vertices are? So, what would be the vertices on this figure right here, on this shape?
Like the same?
Do you remember where a vertex would be at? Okay, have a seat. Does anybody, Annalie, come on up. Do you know? Quickly. Miguel, watch your feet there, buddy. So show me where the vertices are on O. Or N if you want. All right, have a seat. Isaiah, help her out. Where are the vertices on O?
Right here.
Yep, where else?
Right here.
Yep. Is that all?
And right here.
And right where?
Oh, right here.
Yep, and right here
Yep,
and there.
Right here.
All right, here. Isaiah pointed out that each one of the points, when two edges meet together, that makes a vertex of a figure. Who can tell me what we call each part of a figure? We talked about it a little bit yesterday. Somebody other than James. Kenley? Face. Rick?
What about your other assistant?
Oh, hang on, I'm not there yet. We're not there yet. And we've got another 15 more minutes, and we still got some more math to cover, and I'm telling you, I've got some cool stuff.
Like games or?
No, I just have some stuff to show you.
What about the thing that shows how this little mouse can seal the thing? That looks like a...
We'll show that here in a minute. So, a vertex, where it comes to a point. Is this a 3D figure or a 2D figure? Somebody other than James. Shane. 3D, because you can see all sides. Is this a 2D figure or a 3D figure? Aaliyah? This is 3D, because you can see all the sides to it. So this would be considered what? A 2D. Good job. Isaiah, I need you to turn around, buddy. I just talked about it.
I know what it is.
Okay, guys, over here. Eyes up here. All right, so let's go back to our page. Let's go back to page 268. Yesterday we worked on this for a few minutes. Did everybody get the step up on this page done? If you did, raise your hand.
I did.
Okay, so I want you to take a minute, and it should... Are you the only one in the room? Nope. Nope, you're not. So I want you to take 30 seconds. Hey, Peyton, whatever you got going on there, put it away. Miguel, feet on the floor. I need you guys to take a minute. It shouldn't take you very long because we just got done talking about sides. And then I want you to come over here and I want you to put an X on all the polygons.
It says color.
Over here.
Okay.
Isaiah, you are not the teacher. I don't care. I can change the rules. Put an X on it. Doesn't matter. All right. So you should either be working on this or you should be working on this. No, you're going to have a seat. I just want you to put an X on them. Even though it says color, I just want you guys, hey guys, do you want to see the cool stuff that I brought? Yeah. Okay, I need you guys to just do what I asked and just put an X on them, and I'm going to walk around and make sure you understand what I've been trying to explain to you for 45 minutes.
30.
You can go move down again.
20.
And if you go, huh?
It says it's to push up.
Equal sides. So this could be a polygon. That could be a polygon. That could be a polygon. They have to have straight sides. That wouldn't be a polygon because why?
It's just round.
Yeah.
This could be too.
Yep. Yes. All right, so let me check it out.
She has to see.
So you don't have all of them.
Oops.
Yeah, you're not done yet, bud.
Oh wait, I have one. Yeah.
You're not done yet, ma'am.
There's more?
There's more. You haven't started yet. So why do we have so much talking when you guys aren't done? You're not done either.
What?
Nope.
Teacher, do polygons have like holes in it?
All right, so let's go over this again. Have a seat, buddy. You're not done either.
Am I done? How?
Nope.
How am I done?
All right, so let's go over it again. What are the characteristics of a polygon? Who can give me the first one? Anthony? Do polygons have curves? Kenley? No. Class?
Yes!
Brian, you got 2 seconds to put whatever you have in your hands away or I have it and it's going in the trash. Now. Okay, again, are polygons curved?
No.
Are polygons curved with a straight end?
No.
No. Can polygons be open?
Yeah.
Yes, they can. What's that called? Kenley? No, and you're close. You're close. You're so close. Who can help her?
I don't know. What was
Shane? They can be open, and if they don't have equal sides, they're called irregular polygons. It's an open, irregular polygon. All right, so let's look at where you might actually use some of this stuff at. Yeah, we're not going to close your book. Close your book. Put it in the corner of your desk. Yeah, close your book. Put it in the corner of your desk. Yes, Anthony.
I got a paper cut.
You live. I'm gonna change gears here for a minute. All right, we're gonna start with this. This is a cabinet drawing of someone's kitchen. Who can tell me where the polygons are in the kitchen, and what makes them a polygon? Can you see it? It's a kitchen. You see polygons every day, and you don't even know it. This whole room is one big polygon. What this whole room is. And why would this room be considered a polygon? Mauricio? Yes. Your kitchen at home are polygons because you have squares, you have rectangles. Those are all considered polygons. Sometimes they're curved. That's the name of the program that I used to draw it up. Okay, so I need Rick, and I need one more helper. Let's see, who's been following along? I need Rick, and I need one more person. Aubrey.
What is it?
I know you're not going to be upset, but you know why? You know you weren't making good decisions the whole time. Okay, I need Rick and Aubrey up here. Please, yeah, I need both of you up here. I need one of you to hold this side, and I need the other person to hold this out. Here, come. If you can't see, you can get up and kind of come this way. Or here, why don't you step back?
If you can't see, I still can't see.
Well, you can get up and move. Here, can you do this? Can you hold that in one hand and hold that in another? Here, let's tip it this way. Hey guys, if this is going to be a thing, I'm going to have you guys all sit down. I just thought it'd be fun so you can see, kind of actually see why I'm trying to teach you about this stuff.
Okay.
That it isn't just a bunch of stuff that you're learning.
Okay.
This is the picture of someone's house. This is the back of someone's house. Who can show me where the polygons are?
I know.
Miguel, show me.
Right here. I stand up. I can't see because I'm sitting down.
Well, we'll all take turns. Here, I'll hold.
Teacher, show it's electrical camera.
Yeah, she's exactly right. So who can show me where the polygons are? Point to them.
Here.
Yeah.
The door even.
Yep, the door would be considered a polygon.
Yeah. Wait, that's your house?
Nope, not my house.
Oh, okay.
All right, so why don't you guys step out and let someone else have a turn.
What about here?
Okay, these are called flooring joists, which holds up the floor of someone's house. And all these are angles and shapes that you need to know. Because we're going to take turns. Hey, you guys need to step out and let someone else get in. Step out. Yeah. Step out. Step back. You guys got to look at it. Let someone else get in and take a look.
Why would David do? Why would David?
Come on.
Isaiah didn't see.
That's what I'm trying to do, you guys. Step. If you've seen it, step out. See, going back to my conversation, you guys see polygons all day long, and you didn't even know it. Yeah.
Can you show us at school?
I had to plan to the school. I actually bid. Okay, guys. You four need to go sit down. You guys need to go sit down. You guys need to go sit down. And whoever's left that would like to see, come up. Have a seat.
Are you sure it's this on here?
No, I think we need to have a seat. I just wanted to show you guys that you actually see polygons all day long, and you don't even...
Is the window a polygon?
Yeah. Why would it be considered a polygon?
Because it's straight out.
Yeah.
Let's give it a look at this.
Look at the big drawing of the house.
Maybe if we can get some other stuff done, because we have to talk about the quadrilaterals, and we're running out of time. Hey, Miguel, that wasn't cool. You want to roll it up? Okay. Have a seat. Have a seat. Well, that was the cool stuff, and I have one more thing to show you. If you guys will let me talk. Thank you, sir.
That's cool.
I didn't know if you guys consider that cool or not, but I wanted to show you. All right, so let's review. What is this? What is this called?
A cube.
It's that funky word, starts with a B. Jaden?
What does it start with?
What is this called? It starts with a B. You got it. You're there.
It starts with a but.
Go ahead. You got it. Bird. Avert.
Oh, I know.
Aubrey, help him out. Yes, Bertus. Yeah, this is... Gentlemen. Peyton. Really? What are we doing? Josiah. Aaliyah. Annalie. What are we doing? Should you have your book on your head and we should be just looking up here, right? David?
Yeah.
You shouldn't even have your book open right in a second. Okay. So let's talk about quadrilaterals. Turn your book to 276.
276.
We got a couple more minutes here. 276.
I'm there.
276. Well, that's what we're going to talk about. Yeah, she. Well, I'll make sure you get a chance to see it here. Why are we talking, guys? Aubrey's ready. Jane's ready. Miguel, are you ready? Give me a thumbs up when you have your book open at 276. Mauricio, get your book open, please. 276. All right, so let's talk about quadrilaterals. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it. Matter of fact, why don't you go both move up? No, those guys right there.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Are we sure there's more cool stuff or what? That was the cool thing.
All right, so quadrilaterals. Peyton, move down. James, move down. Move down. I need you guys to stop talking. I need you guys to look up here. All right, so quadrilaterals. This guy right here is considered a quadrilateral. They have 4 sides. 2 sides are the same length, but 2 sides can be different lengths. So this right here could be considered a quadrilateral because you have two sides are the same length, but the other 2 sides can be different lengths. Who said that? So I want you guys to, I want you to read each section here and do your best. Who remembers how many sides a pentagon has?
6 sides.
No.
5.
Need you to raise your hand, buddy. Need you to raise your hand. Pentagon has 5 sides. I actually shouldn't have drawn that right in that spot.
Was there a shape on there?
Yes.
So, are these and these considered the same?
Yeah.
Why are they considered the same? Josiah?
They both have the same size.
Very good. I noticed on one of your tests, you guys had one that was like this and one that was like that, or sort of, and you got it wrong because you didn't mark that they were the same thing. Who could tell me what that is? Raise your hand. Jaden? What's another word for a diamond?
I used to know it by heart.
Shane, help him out. Do you know what it's called? Do you know what this is called? Why? So it would be considered a what? But no. Aubrey? A rhombus. Is that considered a polygon?
Yes.